Hello, it's Nate again, and welcome to my how-to video on how to use free edition of Davinci Resolve to make basic, quick and easy TikTok videos ready for upload and further editing on the TikTok platform. So, first of all, we are going to create a new project, and I personally like to use the date format so it enables me to find clips later on looking backwards. And as I'm British, it's day, month, year. Now, with that project created, we are going to create a new timeline. We are going to call this Sandbox, as this is where I'm going to do the majority of my proper editing, like trimming the start and the end of the actual video. We're going to create another timeline and call this TikTok, and this is going to be for our vertical finished product. We're going to untick Use Project Settings. We're going to click the Format tab here, and we're going to switch these resolution values around, so it says 1080 1920, not 1920 1080. And also I'm going to change the FPS up to 60 and create. I'm going to double click on Sandbox again, and I am going to drag in the clip that I want to work on. I'm going to click this blade tool to trim the start, as I've said before. We're going to trim it about there. We're going to right click here and ripple delete. I'm going to look at the end. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just laughing out loud. Click the pointer. And at this stage, if you're going to replace the audio with either just music on its own or a voiceover clip, I would suggest here you right click, you unlink those clips, you click back on the audio and backspace to delete it. You can now click on your video clip, Control and C to copy, double click on your TikTok timeline, Control V to paste, or zoom out to make it easier for myself, now that I've done most of the editing. I click to the right to deselect the last paste, click to the right, and now I've got my three versions ready. I can now add some tracks, and I can click and drag, and they're all there. So at this stage, I would also say, let's bring in the music. Just assume, same again, blade tool. We're going to delete selected there. And we're also actually going to ripple delete. Click it again, that'll find the end of your video clips. Ripple delete that. And we've now sort of got a clip ready. So, for video 1, we are going to add Gaussian Blur. We're going to click on Effects, and we're going to put it up to 1. Back to Video, Zoom 3.4. Video 2, Zoom 2.3. Video 3, we're going to click on the Fusion tab. We're going to add an ellipsis right here, an ellipse. We're going to change the width and height values to 0.25, but this could be dependent on how big your webcam image is. Obviously, just adjust it to suit your needs. Get that nicely centered. Back to the Edit tab. Make sure we still got Video 3 selected, and we click on Crop. Now let's crop this down, make it a bit more manageable. Then we click on Transform. We're going to bring it center up at the top, and change the zoom to maybe between 1.5 to 2.5, something like that. Let's put in 2. Center it up here. Click on the Deliver tab. We're going to add the name. We're going to add the location, which is going to be here. We're going to change the format to MP4 if it's not already. Double check that the format is 1080 920 and your FPS. Add to the render queue, render all, and congratulations, you now have a video ready for upload to TikTok. Now, I'm going to redo this, and I am going to put up the timer because I said to my Team Caladrius teammates that this could be done in 3 minutes or less. So you know what? I need to start it from scratch. So, new project. Get these fingers warmed up. Okay, so we're going to say as if it's tomorrow. And we're going to say starting now. Okay, timelines, create new. Okay. Now, obviously, you don't have to name the actual timelines if you don't want, as long as you remember which ones are which. It's pretty easy for you to keep on top of things. Okay, so we're gonna pretend that we are editing this a little bit and say, okay, about there. We're gonna delete selected. We are going to unlink clips. We are going to only copy the video into TikTok. 1, 2, 3. Drag up. And if you'll notice, I didn't have to add the tracks. There's a little tip or trick for you. We're gonna add in the crispy. We're gonna say it's just gonna be there. Ripple delete that. Click to the end. Ripple delete that. Click the pointer. Here we go. 3.4 with the Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur up to 1. Video 2. 2.3. Where's my video 3? Have I not got video 3? Rubbish. Not to worry. We will grab it back from here. Ah, it's pasting it there. There we go. Oh, I've just done it again. This is not going well. So, have we actually got the blur on that one? No, we have not. It's overwritten it. It's overwritten all of them. So, I still think I've got enough time. 3.4 effects up to 1. This up to 2.3. And this over to Fusion. Grab an ellipse. 0.25, 0.25. Drag it over my face. Back to edit. Back to crop. Get that there. Back to transform. Up here. Zoom to 2. Deliver. Tutorial. MP4. All of that. Browse it. This PC. The tutorial. Add to render queue. Render all. Thank you. Stop the timer. You're done. So, thanks for watching. Hope this was informative. Hope it was helpful. And see you again. See you on Twitch. See you on YouTube. See you on Facebook. See you on Twitter. Much love.